Okay, in this video we are going to remove this floating animation and going to keep it very simple. So uh, let me just assign the few properties. And this will display the content in center, and let me just add text. Let's say now let me just check the output. So as you can see here, we have example in center. You can apply few styles, or what you can do is you can replace this text with image. And for that, here in asset folder we will create one new folder, and that will hold the images, and we will copy one image and we'll paste it inside this image folder. Now we are going to use this image over the text. It's a source, and here we'll define one constant. Let's logo. PNG. And here we have that image inside. And now what we want this screen be displayed for the 2 or 5 minutes, seconds, and then a new screen will be displayed, right? So here we will use effect. Here we have already imported it, so just let me write down the use effect. In this use effect, we are going to use timeout. Set timeout, and here first parameter will be the action we want to perform, and second will be the time duration. Suppose I want to display this splash screen for 3 seconds, and here will be the code you want to display. Here we will write the navigation code that will navigate you to another screen, or we can simply write alert. Let me write alert to demonstrate you, and let me just refresh it. So after 3 seconds, alert will be displayed, as you can see, and you can replace this alert with the navigation code, so it will redirect you to the new screen.